You've no doubt heard by now the recent buzz surrounding Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s endorsement of former President Trump, sparking some major family drama. But what does this have to do with your career in the tech and engineering sectors? Well, today we're going to dive into how making bold, controversial decisions just like RFK Jr. can impact your career and business, especially in the fast-moving manufacturing and automation industries. Think about it. RFK Jr. decided to endorse Trump despite knowing it would shake things up in his family. In the same way, when you're deciding on a new technology or making a hiring choice that might go against the grain, you're setting the stage for future success or potential challenges. The key is, how do you navigate these decisions, balancing innovation with the values that drive your company forward? At VenTech Search, we understand the pressures of making these kinds of decisions, especially when it comes to hiring the right talent. Just like RFK Jr. needs to consider the impact of his endorsement, you need to consider the impact of every hire you make. Hiring all-star executives, salespeople, and engineers isn't just about filling positions, it's about shaping the future of your company in a highly competitive industry. So, how do you navigate these tough decisions? Here are 3 lessons we can learn from RFK Jr.'s endorsement drama. Number 1, stand by your principles. Whether you're choosing a candidate or a new strategy, make decisions that align with your company's core values. 2, prepare for pushback. Just like RFK Jr. faced criticism from his family, be ready for challenges from your leadership when making bold choices on your hiring process. And number 3, focus on long-term impact. Consider how today's decision will affect your company's future, just like how RFK Jr.'s decision could shape his legacy. At VenTech Search, we're here to help you make those tough hiring decisions with confidence. If you're ready to take your company to the next level with all-star talent, don't hesitate to reach out. And as always, if you enjoyed this take on RFK Jr.'s endorsement and how it connects to business, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our latest videos on how to recruit the best talent in the manufacturing and automation industries.